Kawasaki's recently acclaimed naked retro bike, the Z900RS, recently spawned a bikini-fared sibling, the Z900RS Café. Available in vintage lime green, the model represents something of a pastiche of early Z-model Kawasaki's dating back to the 1970s and early 1980s. But while the styling may be locked in the past, this Kawasaki's performance and technology certainly isn't. Over Tasmania's twisting, undulating and generally challenging roads, the Z900RS Café impressed Bikesales Bike of the Year judges with its easy handling, spirited acceleration and forgiving nature. With neutral steering, a largely upright riding position and comfortable seating, the Z900RS Café also scored highly for its faultless fueling, effective suspension and chassis package and sheer accessibility. Just hop on, wind on the throttle and revel in the howl of that smooth and potent inline 4. The 6-speed gearbox offers precision, the radial mount front brakes have plenty of power and the clutch is light and progressive. This is a supremely easy bike to ride by any measure. The front fork is fully adjustable while the rear monoshock, one of the bike's several concessions to modernity, is adjustable for rebound and preload. Other up-to-the-minute features include LED lighting front and rear, and a level of manufacturing quality the likes of which the builders of the 70s could have only dreamed. The bike also comes backed by an ABS braking system and multi-level traction control, but it's this machine's stunning retro styling and sheer fun factor that will appeal the most to prospective buyers. It smiles by the mile, and all for a pretty nice price too. Ride it, look at it, love it. The Kawasaki Z900RS Café is one exquisitely well executed motorcycle.